Macindano maya matabanagio mwaka na mwaka uyu marari maikereka ria kenda na maraguciriria atwarithia maithikiri 60, 15 gatagati-ini kao mari airitu. Macindano maya maria makurikanite ta Madaraka C70 ni mamwe ma mathako ma mwanya maria thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a irathie na mbere kuhithuria kuguciriria agendi matiganite.
Ni twina andu kuma different counties, especially Rift Valley, mokete guku gucindana macindano maya na twina participants kuma nja wa bururi.
Ningependa serikali itilie maanani kwa mchezo wa baiskeli kwa maana hiyo ndio bado inaamka, so tungependa waangalie sana upande wa baiskeli.
David Kija wa Sosi Safari Simbas niwe urahotanire mwena wa rume akihuthira ihinda ria mathaa meri ndagika 30 na sekondi 4, guku mwena wa iritu Valentine Jeruto wa Kenyan Riders akiinukio hotani akihuthira mathaa meri ndagika 50 na 2 na sekondi 24.
I came here to participate in this class race challenge because it's like I've taken my cycling as my career and hope many other ladies who are there watching can also be inspired.
If it would have been taken seriously, it would have been very, very good because it would have enhanced the group, the people who come out to participate.
Especially andu aya anini ni karia tairia iki na ingi aya ma participataga internationally na niguo wira wao.
Riu thirikari ciothe cieri ni ciuritio kunyitana gutabanagia macindano ta maya iri ta njira imwe ya guciheriri wa kimabũrũri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Mathioya kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.